Imagine a forest so vast it creates its own weather, a living expanse so immense that it stretches beyond the horizon, shrouded in a perpetual mist. Here the air is thick with anticipation, as if the forest itself is breathing, pulsing with life and mystery. At its heart flows a river so mighty, it was once thought to be a sea, its waters winding and weaving through the land like a colossal serpent. The Amazon River is the lifeblood of this world, carrying secrets and stories from the mountains to the Atlantic. This is the Amazon, a world of breathtaking beauty and bewildering complexity, where every glance reveals a new wonder. It is a place where the boundaries between land and water blur, and the forest seems to go on forever. Life here bursts forth in endless variety, from iridescent insects that shimmer in the dappled sunlight, to elusive predators like the jaguar, silently stalking through the undergrowth, and gentle sloths swaying high above in the treetops. The air is thick with the scent of earth and flowers, a rich perfume that hints at the constant cycle of growth and decay. Every breath is filled with the promise of rain and the memory of ancient trees. The soundtrack is a constant chorus of calls and rustles, birds singing, monkeys chattering, insects buzzing, a symphony that never truly falls silent, even in the depths of night. This is not just a collection of trees, it is a living, breathing entity, a vibrant green heart pumping life across the globe. The Amazon is a force of nature, shaping the climate and nurturing countless forms of life. To step into the Amazon is to step back into a primordial world where nature's power is on full display. Here, time seems to slow, and the ancient rhythms of the earth take over, reminding us of our place in the web of life. For centuries, this wilderness has captivated explorers, scientists, and dreamers. They have ventured into its depths, drawn by curiosity and the promise of discovery, each returning with tales of wonder and awe. The Amazon is a delicate web of connections, where every organism plays a crucial role in survival. From the tiniest ant to the tallest tree, each is part of a vast, intricate system that depends on balance and harmony. From above, the canopy appears uniform, an endless sea of green stretching as far as the eye can see, hiding the secrets of the world below. But as we descend, we see countless unique tree crowns, each supporting its own universe of plants, animals, and fungi. Every layer of the forest is teeming with life, each more diverse than the last. The distant cry of a macaw, a flash of color against the green, reminds us that this is a place of constant movement and surprise. The rise in humidity, the beads of water on every leaf, the hum of insects in the thick air. This world engages all the senses, drawing us deeper into its embrace. The Amazon is more than a distant location. It is vital to our planet's health, influencing weather patterns across continents and producing much of the oxygen we breathe. Its fate is intertwined with our own. Understanding the Amazon is a necessity for our future. Scientists and local communities work together, striving to unlock its secrets and protect its fragile balance for generations to come. As we begin this exploration, let us do so with respect and humility, for we are guests in one of the last truly wild places on Earth. The Amazon invites us not just to witness its wonders, but to recognize our responsibility to cherish and protect this emerald ocean for all time. To truly comprehend the Amazon, one must first appreciate its staggering scale and complexity. This is not just a river or a forest, but a vast, interconnected system that shapes the very heart of South America. The Amazon basin covers an astonishing 7 million square kilometers, stretching across 9 countries and forming the largest drainage basin on Earth. Its reach is so immense that it influences weather patterns and climate far beyond its borders. 60% of this vast expanse lies within Brazil, making the country not only the forest's primary guardian, but also a key player in its preservation and future. The Amazon River itself is the region's lifeblood, winding for over 6,400 kilometers and carrying more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Its currents pulse through the forest, sustaining countless forms of life. At its mouth, the river's mighty discharge dilutes the Atlantic's salinity for over 100 miles, creating a unique blend of fresh and salt water that supports rare and diverse species. With over 1,000 tributaries, the Amazon's river system nourishes the forest like a colossal tree, its branches reaching deep into the land, connecting remote regions and communities. The forest itself is layered. Emergent giants tower above. A dense canopy forms a living roof. A humid understory teems with life, and a dark open floor lies below, each level home to its own unique inhabitants. This endless green expanse is a mosaic of ecosystems, flooded forests, uplands, savannas, and swamps, each supporting unique communities of plants and animals, adapted to their own special niches. The Amazon's extraordinary variety makes it both resilient and rich, shaping not only the destiny of a continent, but also influencing the balance of life across the entire planet. The Amazon is the planet's largest reservoir of biodiversity. It holds 10% of all known species, over 40,000 plants, 3,000 fish, and hundreds of reptiles. A single hectare can contain more tree species than all of North America. In the canopy, howler monkeys roar, macaws and toucans flash between trees, and sloths hang in slow motion. Jaguars stalk the shadows, tapirs forage, and giant otters hunt in waterways. Leafcutter ants march in long lines, cultivating fungus for food. Butterflies like the blue morpho flash in sunlight while insects pollinate, decompose, and feed countless others. The Amazon's biodiversity is a treasure trove. Its plants have given us medicines like curare and quinine. Countless more secrets remain, waiting to be discovered before they are lost forever. The Amazon is often called the lungs of the earth, capturing a profound truth about its global importance. Its trees absorb carbon dioxide, release oxygen, and store vast amounts of carbon, up to 200 billion metric tons. This makes the forest a powerful brake on climate change. The Amazon also acts as a colossal water pump, releasing water vapor that forms flying rivers in the sky. These atmospheric rivers bring rain across South America, supporting agriculture and millions of people. Deforestation and fires threaten this balance, turning the forest from a carbon sink into a carbon source. The Amazon's health is directly tied to global climate stability. Life on the forest floor is a world away from the sunlit canopy, a realm of decay and renewal. Here, beneath the towering trees, sunlight barely reaches the ground, creating a cool, shadowy world teeming with hidden activity. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and fallen leaves, and every inch of soil is alive with movement. Decomposers like fungi and termites break down organic matter, recycling nutrients for new growth. These tiny workers are the unsung heroes of the forest, tirelessly transforming dead plants and animals into rich soil. Without them, the forest would be buried under layers of debris, and new life would struggle to emerge. Jaguars and armadillos prowl the shadows, searching for food among the tangled roots and fallen branches. Poison dart frogs, with their brilliant colors, thrive in the damp, humid undergrowth, warning predators to stay away. Each creature plays a unique role in this complex ecosystem, contributing to the balance of life on the forest floor. The forest floor is a network of communication, with tree roots and mycorrhizal fungi sharing nutrients and warnings. This underground web connects plants and trees, allowing them to support each other, send distress signals, and even share resources during times of need. This wood wide web underpins the health of the entire forest, acting as the foundation for all life above. It is a silent, invisible force that keeps the ecosystem thriving, even when storms rage above. In some areas, archaeologists have found terra preta, fertile black earth created by ancient indigenous peoples. This remarkable soil is rich in nutrients and carbon, a testament to human ingenuity and the ability to work in harmony with nature. By enriching the soil, they transform the land for sustainable agriculture, cultivating crops that could thrive for generations. Their methods improved the forest rather than depleting it, showing a deep respect for the land. These ancient soils remind us that humans have shaped the Amazon for millennia, leaving behind traces of their knowledge and stewardship. The forest floor holds stories of both nature and humanity, woven together over centuries. Their legacy holds lessons for sustainable living today, inspiring us to care for the earth beneath our feet and to recognize the vital connections that sustain all life in the rainforest. For thousands of years, the Amazon has been home to people. Today, about 1 million indigenous people from 400 groups live here, with deep knowledge of the forest. They practice sustainable agriculture, hunt, fish, and gather, taking only what they need. Their knowledge of medicinal plants is vast, a living library of healing. Many groups like the Yanomami and Kayapo have fought to protect their lands and the forest itself. Deforestation rates are lower in indigenous territories, making them effective guardians. Yet, these communities face threats from logging, mining, and disease. Protecting the Amazon means protecting its first peoples and their wisdom. Life in the Amazon is a dance of survival, full of remarkable strategies. The Brazil nut tree depends on orchid bees for pollination and agoutis to plant its seeds. Leafcutter ants farm fungus, a partnership that sustains millions. Camouflage and mimicry abound. Stick insects vanish among twigs, owl butterflies startle predators, and harmless snakes mimic the deadly coral snake. Plants fight back with toxins or form alliances with insects, like acacia trees sheltering ants for protection. Every adaptation, every relationship is part of a complex web. This symphony of survival makes the Amazon resilient and endlessly fascinating. Every thread is connected, and every life matters. The Amazon's web of life is a masterpiece of evolution. Despite its power, the Amazon is vulnerable. Deforestation for cattle, soy, logging and mining is fragmenting the forest. Humans set fires, often to clear land, can rage out of control, destroying millions of hectares. Climate change brings more droughts, making the forest even more flammable. Scientists warn of a tipping point. If deforestation and warming continue, parts of the Amazon could become savanna. This would mean massive biodiversity loss and the release of billions of tons of carbon. These threats reinforce each other, pushing the Amazon toward a point of no return. The shadows are lengthening, and the window to act is closing. The fate of the forest and our own hangs in the balance. The future of the Amazon is a matter of urgent global importance. Its role in climate, oxygen, and biodiversity makes its protection a shared responsibility. We must support policies that protect the forest and the rights of indigenous peoples. International cooperation and economic incentives for conservation are key. As consumers, our choices matter. Buying certified products and reducing demand for beef and soy can help. Our voices are powerful. Educate, advocate, and support conservation organizations. Demand action from leaders and companies. The Amazon cannot speak for itself. We must be its advocates. The task is great, but the emerald heart of our planet is worth every effort. The Amazon's future is in our hands.